Hello everyone! A few months ago, I ordered some succulents online. Alhamdulillah, most of them are doing really well. They are growing beautifully, and many of them have even started producing baby plants. But there is one plant, the smallest one, and honestly, I don't even know its name. I'm also not very familiar with its specific care routine since I'm still new to growing succulents. Recently, after it started producing baby plants, I noticed that the mother plant began to look weak. Its leaves were drying out quickly and falling off. I got worried that it might die if I didn't do something, so I decided to separate the baby plants from the mother plant. I thought maybe giving them their own space would help the babies grow better and allow the mother plant to recover. I prepared a small pot with well-draining soil. Then, very carefully, I separated the baby plants from the mother plant and placed them into the new pot. After that, I adjusted the mother plant properly back into its soil and lightly sprayed some water on the top. I also gently misted the baby plants after setting them into the soil. I'm still learning about succulent propagation, so I really hope I followed the correct process. I truly hope both the mother plant and the babies stay healthy and continue to grow beautifully. If anyone knows the name of this plant or has tips about its care and propagation, please share in the comments. Your advice would really help me improve. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.